Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at unboxing and reviewing the Behringer 85A. This is a nice little microphone coming in at around €25. We're going to be taking a look at it, seeing how it handles. Let's jump right into this. So this video is brought to you by me. Today I'm going to be sponsoring my own video with my new merch line. This is going to be the first t-shirt I'm going to be launching for the channel. It's a very nice quality print that you can get from Teespring. Everything is linked right below the video here and all videos on my channel. It comes in a number of different colors. You can get it in a hoodie, different women's style t-shirts, stickers. It'll definitely support the channel if you can check it out, and I'd really appreciate it. Let's jump right into the video. So as mentioned at the start of the video, this is a budget microphone coming in at around €25, and it's meant to be a much cheaper alternative to the Shure SM58, of course being a much lower price point, so we should take that into account when trying to compare it from one to another. Opening the package up, we actually get this really nice plastic hard shell case on the outside, which is totally overkill. I'll mention that right now. It's totally overkill for this microphone. However, it is nice to have. And inside we also get a mic stand clip. It's nothing too fancy. It's just something that will hold onto it. And we also get the 3/4 inch adapter inside this as well. So taking the microphone out of the case, it is actually a nice premium body overall. The mic does feel really good to hold, like really good, especially for the price. It feels like it could really take a beating. I could probably hit this off my desk and my desk would get more damage than the microphone itself. So I'm really happy with how this is. And overall, I think the look is very simple. It's a nice kind of gray material to it with this nice blue strip on top. So overall, it's really nice for the price and I'm really happy with it. So for the start of this video, I've been using my main mic, the Behringer TX60. It's a really old drum recording mic. So I'm going to be switching over to the 85A so we can get some good samples of how it is. And I'll be finishing out the rest of the video with this microphone. So I've just switched over the microphone. I may need to adjust audio levels in post, but I'll mention that in the description down below, maybe on a lower third here as well. And I will not do any post processing, at least for this sample of the video. I might show a little bit later how I normally edit and affect my microphones, and I will mention that a little bit later. So this is how the microphone sounds straight out of the box, plugged into my Euphoria UMC 204 HD. I've done a review on that on the channel. I think it's a great mixer for the price, and it's something I'd recommend, and I think it will go nicely with a microphone like this. If you're looking to upgrade your mic a little bit later and you want a nice mixer, that could be a nice budget option. So right now I'm only a couple centimeters away from the microphone, but if I slowly move back, you'll see how the microphone sounds at a bit further of a distance. So this is a cardioid microphone, so you are going to be getting some distance issues. Right now I'm about 30 centimeters away from the microphone. Right now I'm about 1 meter away from the microphone. Right now I'm about 2 meters away from the microphone. So I will be doing my normal post-processing process now, so you'll be able to see how it sounds. And I think this microphone sounds really, really good for the price. As long as your expectations are realistic of what you can do for a €25 microphone, as long as you don't expect too close to that Shure SM58, it should be fine. Because this is a cardioid microphone, any noise behind the microphone will not be picked up too strongly. So this would be fine if you're kind of doing a budget stream, or if you're just trying to get started with YouTube or some sort of kind of general content creation. I think this is a great mic to pick up. It's really nice build quality, it's built to last. You get a nice case included with this, so overall it's a really nice package. And for €25, it's definitely something I'd recommend. And don't forget to check out the merchandise, links as always are in the description down below also. Anyway guys, that's been today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.